typewriter-themed Mother's Day card. The sliding mechanism used for this interactive card is from Fawn's Let's Toast Pull Tab. You can search online or here on YouTube on how to make this mechanism work. I cut a rectangle from a white cardstock about the same width as the paper in the typewriter die. I made a slit from the typewriter die so that the white paper can slide through it. I cut the top portion of the die. I stamped my sentiment into the supposedly sliding through paper. Here's my stamped sentiment using black ink. I slide in the stamped message into the typewriter die, so it will give you an effect of a hidden message that you can read once you pull up the top. Here, I'm just eyeballing where to stick my pull tab mechanism. Here, I'm just laying out all my dies and to give me an idea where to put my sliding mechanism. I cut through the green panel. This is where my sliding mechanism will be placed. But as you can see, I changed my mind because I find the first one, it was too lateral. Here's me testing out the sliding mechanism. Sorry, I was out of frame for this one. Using Martha Stewart circle punch, I punch a 1/4 circle for this one. I slip out a portion of the panel. Using the coordinating panel, which was included in the die set, I then attach this to keep the pull tab mechanism in place. Attaching the hidden message to the panel using glue tape. And then applying adhesive into the left, right, and bottom side of the typewriter die. As you can see here, this is how I slide through the hidden message into the slit created in the typewriter die. And as you can see, the sliding mechanism is working perfectly. I'm cutting a small triangle to serve as an arrow in the pull tab. Just trace a gold outline around the arrow. Please subscribe to this channel to see more card making videos like this one. I'm stamping my sentiment into the card face. Then I just added some more embellishments onto the side of the card. I'm just using foam tape to attach it to the base card. Just stamping a handmade by. And here's the finished card. Click like and subscribe to this channel if you want to watch more of these types of videos. You can visit me into my other social media accounts. Again, please comment and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for supporting Artsy Med.